very first episode of Why Not podcast. Why not? क्योंकि हमारे नॉट की टीम ने बोला कि एक podcast start करो. So we said, why not?
Why not? We're not only here to have fun, but also drop informative facts which you may or may not have known before.
Correct. Also, we have a very special person with us today here. Meher, she's a part of our podcast team. And वो हमारे साथ आज इधर क्यों है वो बहुत जल्द पता चलेगा. बट आज का टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन क्या है guys?
Yeah, I mean, I'm really happy to be here. Thank you guys. But मुझे पता नहीं टॉपिक क्या है.
What are we talking about?
बताएंगे हमारी टीम बताएगी.
Bollywood.
Bollywood.
And
Yeah.
since you are a very filmy girl, that's why.
Why not?
Yes.
So, I mean, शायद ज़्यादा लोगों को ये पता नहीं होगा, but I actually didn't grow up in India. I grew up in Philippines. And the reason why Bollywood is so important to me is because that's the only thing that kind of kept me close with my culture. Like मुझे हिंदी बोलना, ये सब mostly I was influenced by Bollywood movies that my parents would watch because they are also such big fans. And मुझे याद है बचपन में हमारे यहाँ सिर्फ 2-3 चैनल आते थे. Star Gold and Zee Cinema were 2 channels that I was always on. So I thought let's discuss some Bollywood movies that that we can really relate our lives with and that we think are not spoken about enough. So we have this platform to talk about that. So I would like to start with this question: if your life was a Bollywood movie, which movie would you think that is?
It's very stereotypical, but I think Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara and I am Farhan in it.
Do you think that's true? I mean,
Please agree.
I don't see you in that character, but why do you think so? Matlab,
I mean, he had issues in his family. He was an artist. He's a very creative person by heart. He's a very extroverted person. And that's somewhere I relate to him. Uska character, uska persona, the way he used to talk to his friends. I think I'm the same. And
fair enough. I mean,
थोड़ी बहुत कॉपी कर ली रहेगी पर्सनालिटी बट
थोड़ी नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा.
he's a very well loved character. So, what about you, AJ?
Well, for me, I guess it is Wake Up Sid. I think I'm Sid from Wake Up Sid. Yeah. मतलब बहुत शैतान चुलबुला बट एट द सेम टाइम हाँ मतलब कि फैमिली प्रॉब्लम. हाँ पैसे थे मेरे पास वो नहीं है. वो उधर जायदाद में जनरेशनल वेल्थ में कमी पड़ गई. उधर कमी पड़ गई बट अदरवाइज मैं भी लाइफ में काफ़ी लॉस थी. लाइक मुझे ये पता था कि मुझे क्या पसंद है. जैसे सिड को पता था वो फोटोग्राफी सबसे अच्छा करता है, ये करता है. बट मुझे बहुत लेट रियलाइज़ हुआ कि मुझे मूवीज़ बचपन से पसंद थी बट मुझे इस फील्ड में जाना है और मैं इसको परस्यू कर सकती हूँ. एंड आई नो दैट आई एम गुड इन ऑल दीज थिंग्स की मतलब राइटिंग वगैरह फलाना ढिमकाना. तो मैं इन सब चीज़ों में अच्छी मुझे बहुत बाद में समझ आया था लाइफ में. सो आई थिंक वेक अप सिड एंड आई एम वेरी लेजी ऑल्सो लाइक सिड. आई ओनली लाइक टू डू थिंग्स. अच्छा दैट इज नॉट इवन अ क्वेश्चन बट आई ओनली लाइक टू डू थिंग्स जो मुझे करना पसंद है वरना मैं अपना 100% नहीं दे सकती. आई एम वेरी लेजी देन.
Wake Up Sid was also one of my movies because I think we both are not from Mumbai.
Yeah.
And I really romanticize Bombay. I love staying here. But कभी-कभी मेरे को लगता है मैं आयशा हूँ Wake Up Sid की और कभी-कभी लगता है मैं सिड हूँ.
That is so true.
But आजकल मैं आयशा लगने लगी हूँ. I feel very like I want to do this and empowered.
Can I do like same pinch because yes अभी आज जब से ये घर से निकले ना क्योंकि इतना इंडिपेंडेंट वुमन
Yes.
लाइक खुद सब संभालो ये करो वो करो और अभी एक बार ये जो खुद से जीने का और अकेले जीने का जो चस्का लग जाता है ना उसके बाद then there is no going back to that world again.
But if we talk about Bollywood characters and which I think are underrated, I want my life to be like Aisha. Have you all seen the movie Aisha?
Yeah.
I think Sonam Kapoor in it is one of my favorite characters because yes, she's privileged, but she's cool and she's so chic that I would want to live that life, ideally.
Of course you have not seen it.
But you should watch it. It's very cute.
What is it
movie.
about?
So it's about Sonam Kapoor is this rich, privileged girl and she likes Abhay Deol. And there is this one ऐसा झल्ली कैसे बोलते हैं बहनजी टाइप लड़कियां जो स्टीरियोटाइप किया है बॉलीवुड में स्मॉल टाउन गर्ल्स.
Not that we are saying it but हम आपको describe
है वी हैव
ऐसे को स्टीरियोटाइप नहीं करते प्लीज.
या सो एक उसकी लाइफ में आती है एंड शी इज लाइक कि आई विल चेंज यू एंड आई विल टर्न यू इनटू मी एंड ऑल द गाइज द गाय यू लाइक विल लाइक यू बैक. but then it's a journey of how she realizes that you just have to be yourself. You don't have to be a certain way, or you don't have to look a certain way, you know, for somebody to like you. So
But
it's a cute chick flick.
हाँ, बट लाइक वो कभी दिल से खराब नहीं थी. शी
Yeah.
ऑलवेज लाइक उसका तो ये था कि वो लोगों के लिए बेटर करे, बट हमेशा जब हम करने जाते दैट
Yeah,
really
she
doesn't turn
wanted
out
to
well.
be a matchmaker in that movie.
सीमा आंटी बेसिकली.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that brings me to the next question कि बचपन में हमने मैंने तो बहुत फालतू पिक्चरें देखी है, but what are some of the first movies that we remember watching of Bollywood?
Devdas.
Really?
The first film I remember watching, मतलब देवदास. आई वॉज मेजमराइज्ड बाय दैट वर्ल्ड. कथक वगैरह, तो जो मैंने अपने लाइफ में कथक वगैरह सीखा, आई वॉज सच अ ह्यूज ऐश्वर्या राय एंड माधुरी दीक्षित फैन, बिकॉज मैंने उनको देख के कथक करना स्टार्ट किया. मेरे फैमिली, माई डैड इज ऑल्सो कथक डांसर, सो यू नो ही started to like teach me, क्योंकि she has so much interest, like I mean me, ठीक है, कि मैं ऐसे इतना mesmerized हो गई थी वो देख के, and it was my all time favorite film. तो जब भी वो टीवी के सामने आता था, मैं बस बैठ के ऐसे देखती रहती और ऐसे देखती रहती. और फिर डैड को समझ आ गया यार कुछ तो है, कि इतना मतलब ना इसकी आंखें चमक उठती है जब भी ये फिल्म देख रही होती कोई, और स्पेशली whenever I am watching Devdas, I cry so much.
Devdas is a heavy movie, but for first time
Emotionally,
मतलब मेरे को भी 2 बार मैंने देखी होगी, तब जाके समझ में आया होगा.
मतलब हम बचपन में हमने फिल्में देखी है, बट हमको वो देखना याद नहीं रहता. बट देवदास वो मेरे दिमाग में बैठ गया, वो प्रिंट हो गया. और मुझे अभी तक ये याद है कि ओके भाई, मुझे ये फिल्म जो मेरे दिमाग में सबसे पहले ये चीज थी.
What about you, Rajesh?
My first film was actually Student of the Year, जो मुझे पहले मैंने देखी और मुझे समझी.
Guys, he's a Varun Dhawan fan, by the way.
big Varun Dhawan.
Yeah, I'm a big Siddharth Malhotra fan.
Yes.
Like
That's how the competition started.
That is very embarrassing. But when I saw Student of the Year, I made a fan page for Siddharth Malhotra, and he has liked one of the photos from my fan page. But yeah, I mean, I also agree. But उसके पहले भी तो you must be remembering some movies.
No, I think Three Idiots. Three Idiots
Three
is one
Idiots,
movie that
yeah.
I can watch anytime, anywhere.
Correct.
Because the message is very nice. It's very clear. The comedy is nice. It's a very easy film. You can watch it anytime,
Yeah.
anywhere. The mood doesn't matter.
Okay, it's so funny, but it is so emotional. But again, it's so funny. मतलब what is happening, but I love it. It was that sort of an emotion.
That's what Rajkumar Hirani does.
Yeah.
My answer is तारे ज़मीन पर, क्योंकि वो नहीं बचपन
ईशान
में हमको
अवस्थी.
डराते थे आपको हॉस्टल भेज देंगे अगर you don't act right, and I just remember watching that movie every single day because I was just like कि you know I don't know.
Did you relate to?
वैसा नहीं, but
नहीं.
it was just such a I don't know, I just loved watching that movie. Like it was so meaningful to me.
Yeah.
And also that fear कि मेरे parents मुझे boarding school भेज देंगे.
My mom's dream for me was to get into JJ. So whenever I used to see him paint, I used to get some sort of inspiration. I love drawing, I still do. And it was one of the motivating factors why I started drawing in the first place.
I didn't know that.
मुझे ईशान अवस्थी का मतलब कि जो फेवरेट सीन है मेरा तारे जमीन से, वो ये है जब वो अकेले बस से निकल जाता है और वो पूरा शहर घूम रहा होता
Yes,
है.
yes.
That's like the favorite part of the film.
So, okay, moving on. Let's now just discuss movies in general that we think are very underrated or not spoken enough about. I mean, I have a few. Do you want to start? Do you have any other topic?
Yes.
Meher, do the honors.
So, but I just want to say I'm not claiming these movies to be cinematic masterpieces or like great. I just think कि we should discuss about this more. I think they are very fun. So I would like to start with, this is very random, but I've written Aitraz. किसी ने Aitraz?
Yes, I have seen it. I'm a huge Aitraz fan.
I love
Priyanka
movie.
Chopra.
I have seen it thousands of times. Again, मैंने बचपन में देखे. I will tell you the gist of it. But basically, it's a very random. उसमें वो गाना है, गिला 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 दिल
गिला गिला. No.
उस मूवी के गाने इतने फन है. So it's a very, I don't know, it's a very, what word
But
should
it's
I
not underrated anymore, I think. अभी उसको काफी hype मिल गया, honestly speaking.
Really?
हाँ,
मुझे
हाँ.
तो लगता है काफी लोगों को पता नहीं है. Okay,
नहीं अब पता है, क्योंकि लाइक प्रियंका चोपड़ा ने अपने इंटरव्यू में भी इतनी बार ऐतराज का मेंशन करा है. नाउ पीपल नो, बट एनी विच वेज उस टाइम पे भी वो फिल्म बहुत हिट हुआ था एक्चुअली. सो आई डोंट थिंक कि वो एक अंडररेटेड फिल्म है. बट उस फिल्म का अगर एक मुझे सबसे बेस्ट सीन बताना, वो एक जो प्रियंका चोपड़ा अक्षय कुमार का गाना होता है, वो ना पूरा वन शॉट में होता है, एंड द वे इट वाज कोरियोग्राफ्ड. That is too good.
The vibe.
Not the Talatum one, the other one, जो वो कार्ड्स ताश के साथ वो करके. Yeah.
जो इंग्लिश में होता है.
हाँ, correct. Yeah.
Okay, I can't say the
For
lyrics.
me, वन अंडररेटेड फिल्म इज एक्चुअली देयर आर टू अंडररेटेड फिल्म्स जो एक रिसेंटली अभी निकली है. आई वॉच्ड इट इन द थिएटर. इट इज किल. वो भी
Oh, I
रिसेंट
saw
एक्शन
Kill.
फिल्म है,
Yes,
रिलीज
yes.
हुई है.
Yes.
इट इज टू गुड. यस, इट इज डूइंग ग्रेट इन द फिल्म फेस्टिवल. जॉन विक का डायरेक्टर इसका रीमेक कर रहा है
Yes.
हॉलीवुड में. यस, इट इज
Yes.
दैट गुड. लाइक इंडिया से पहली बार कोई ऐसी फिल्म प्रोड्यूस हुई है, मतलब विच इज लाइक सो लाइक हाई लेवल एक्शन का
And it's so
वैसा.
different from the regular Bollywood because
Yeah.
it's not massy, but the action is just so hard hitting.
Yes.
It's pure action, and I mean, I'm not someone
It's
who enjoys
gruesome.
that. Yeah, I'm not someone who enjoys that genre, but it's done so well.
Yeah,
I
like
think
it
one
keeps
of the
you hooked.
problems with Bollywood is that every movie that tries to defy whatever
Hmm.
Bollywood is built on, it goes under the tag of underrated because they are trying something different. They are trying
Yeah.
to be
Yeah, that
Mavericks.
makes a lot of
बट
sense.
जितनी उसकी मार्केटिंग हुई थी ना, आई थिंक उस फिल्म को और ज्यादा रिकग्निशन मिलने की जरूरत थी. बट आई नो इस फिल्म को मिलेगी. और कब मिलेगी? जब इसका रीमेक बन के रिलीज हो जाएगा ना, और जब पता चलेगा कि अच्छा ये इस इंडियन फिल्म का रीमेक है, दैट्स द टाइम आई थिंक कि भाई इसका शायद से वापस री रिलीज होगा थिएटर में और इसको वापस रिकग्निशन और ज्यादा मिल सकती.
That happens a lot. Like that also happened with Akashvani. Nobody really
True.
liked the movie, or nobody even had heard of it. And then I think some YouTuber did a review on it and
Yeah.
said that Jammy Pants, I think,
Yeah,
Trident
yeah,
Reviews
Jammy,
Production
yeah, Trident
spoke
Reviews
about it,
Production.
and that's where I
Shout out
discovered
to
it.
you, Jammy Pants, huge
Yes.
fan.
Yes, me too. So then I went and watched it, and I found myself liking that movie. It's actually the only movie in which I feel like Kartik Aaryan did a decent job.
I disagree. I like Karthik ka acting.
I mean, his
he's
comedies are one of the reasons.
he's a very good actor. I have seen him in Chandu Champion. No, I think Karthik Aaryan as an actor is too good.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
It's quite versatile.
Yeah, he's quite versatile.
against
कभी
one.
कभी हो जाता है टाइपकास्ट यार लोग, क्योंकि कभी भी कोई इंडस्ट्री में लाइक इंडस्ट्री का नहीं और दे आर ट्राइंग टू स्टार्ट, और जिस जॉनर में वो सबसे ज्यादा चल रहा है तो फिर वो भी वही करेगा.
I'd like to segue. This is a perfect segue for my film, which I think is underrated, and it is a Varun Dhawan film called October.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah, I
the
have
thing is that Varun Dhawan has always not been Varun Dhawan, but David Dhawan's son.
Yeah.
And David Dhawan is known for his, थोड़े से senseless, like proper, like you don't have to put 100% of
Massive
your mind
films.
while
I think it was for previous generation. Like अभी भी enjoy कर सकते हैं, but the comedy has to level up थोड़ा
Yeah,
बहुत.
Yeah, exactly. But then Varun was overshadowed. He was in David Dhawan's
Yeah,
shadow in short. And I think October se he broke through. He had a new role. He had a new personality, and he did really well.
But I think
I don't
अक्टूबर
think
से पहले
everyone
बदलापुर
agreed.
निकली थी.
But Badlapur
वही,
is,
वही.
I think, rated by, मतलब जितना अच्छा है, it gets recognition
Yeah.
for being good. October is maybe not that spoken about.
Yeah.
But उसमें I think सबसे ज्यादा उसका परफॉर्मेंस निखर के आता है.
Yes.
So October is actually
So,
one of my also favorite
it did
underrated
not-
films.
There was no need for a lot of acting. It was a very minimal movie, and sometimes that's the most toughest thing to do
Yeah.
as an actor.
Yeah, I mean Varun
To
Dhawan
show
does
so much
that,
numbness.
but then he also goes and does movies like Bawal, which is like,
Yeah.
But then
like which
I like
really-
Bawal. Sorry, I like
No
Bawal.
way you said that.
I like Bawal.
Okay, but let's talk about how Bollywood has these massy, David Dhawan comedies, but a lot of what we love and what we know as Bollywood are actually remakes, or they have taken inspiration from Western stories and plots. I mean, you guys must have seen this recent docu-series on Prime, Angry Young Men,
Yeah.
and which I loved that. And
Yes.
usme Salim Khan said this thing ki,
Reality is the art of concealing the source.
so what do you think about that? I mean, do you think Bollywood can do remakes well?
Yeah.
I mean, depends on the
Some-
director. Firstly, depends on the director. Now, if you have a director who has knowledge about movies, not just massy films, but who has gone out of that Bollywood sector to other film industries like Korean. Did you know Prem Ratan Dhan Payo is a remake?
Really?
I didn't.
Of a Korean movie called
What?
Masquerade.
Okay.
And the posters are so different. I did not realize it at first glance. I had to read the summary. I had to know what the movie was about, and I was so shocked. Prem Ratan Dhan Payo is a remake.
Did you
I
all watch
had
Prem Ratan?
yes, I
Yeah,
and I
of
had
course
too
I
much
have.
belief कि yes, it's a सूरज बरजातिया film. I love सूरज बरजातिया.
Yeah, but Suraj
Viva and all.
Dude, I
Who
love
don't
Viva.
यार I'm very much of like मुझे हर टाइप की चीज पसंद आती है. सबसे सिनेफाइल, सबसे मतलब दिमाग हिलाने वाली चीज, और सबसे भाई मासी क्रिंज फिल्म, मुझे सब पसंद आता है.
मुझे भी विवा बहुत पसंद
है ना?
I mean,
Oh God.
I love that मुझे हक है. Like, I'm just that kind of person. I enjoy such. It's very stereotypical, but I love those female characters who are so shy, so demure.
अब आजकल देखने को नहीं मिलता.
Yeah.
नॉट दैट कि नहीं, क्योंकि आई थिंक अभी फीमेल जितने भी लीड्स दे आर डूइंग टू गुड इन बॉलीवुड.
Yeah.
आई थिंक किसी और इंडस्ट्री में, आई थिंक जैमी पैंस ऑल्सो लाइक उसने एक बार मेंशन किया था कि जितना अभी इस साल में जितना फीमेल सेंट्रिक फिल्म बनाए, वेदर यू टेक क्रू, वेदर यू टेक
थप्पड़
Yeah.
was a great film.
हाँ, स्त्री जितना, लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट, स्त्री को बहुत ज्यादा क्या कहते हैं क्राउड पुल इसके वजह से भी मिल रहा है क्योंकि श्रद्धा इज देयर एंड लाइक हर कैरेक्टर वाज वन ऑफ द
massive fan following, and you know we are making better movies in that sense that we are focusing more on female characters and not just giving, like in Viva पूरा credit शाहिद कपूर ले लेता है क्योंकि वो शादी करने को रेडी हो जाता है, बट वो बेचारी जल गई, उसका कुछ नहीं.
And even 5 साल पहले अगर हम देखें तो इतना स्टीरियोटाइप किया जाता था. इवन द फीमेल लीड्स दैट वर इन बॉलीवुड, वो लोग भी ऐसे ही इंटेंशन से आते थे कि यार वी नो कि यार एक आइटम सॉन्ग होगा, उसमें नाचना पड़ेगा,
फेम मिले. उनकी भी गलती नहीं है. फेम तो मतलब कि यार अगर आपको इंडस्ट्री में काम करना है, टिकना है, और जो अगर तुमको अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं मिल रही, सो यू चूज फ्रॉम जो तुम्हारे प्लेट में है. सो
yeah, I 100% agree. You have to grab onto any work
Yeah.
that
कल
you're
को
getting.
हमको भी कभी काम मिला, अगर हमको बेस्ट काम नहीं मिल रहा है तो भाई हम उसमें से चूज करेंगे ना जो हमारे सामने भी बेस्ट लग रहा है.
So coming back to, we were talking about remakes.
Yes. I am going to talk about 2-3 अच्छे remakes जो बने, like something like Drishyam. Come on man, Drishyam was a good remake. And
start to end it was pure perfection, and the way the actors were chosen, the cast was
Detailing.
on point, the director did a great job.
Yeah.
And throughout the movie, like start के first second से last second तक we were engaged.
Drishyam
That
is a
is-
remake of which?
It's a South Indian movie.
It's a South Indian, so
Yeah.
it's Indian.
another
movie.
good
So-
Bollywood remake is actually Agnipath. Again ये दोनों थोड़ा सेम उसमें आता है. Agnipath जब last time धर्मा ने प्रोड्यूस की थी और वो हुआ था तो तब it
तो
didn't work out.
बॉलीवुड के अंदर ही
हाँ.
कितने रीमेक्स होते हैं. Let's talk about how Bollywood is different. I mean, we spoke about how the remake जब बनता है, like you said, प्रेम रतन धन पायो, किसने सोचा होगा कि कोरियन मूवी का
मुझे तो पता ही आज चल रहा है.
So how is Bollywood different from other film industries?
I think we are known for our music. Firstly, we are known for our romance, and I think the only person to blame here is Shah Rukh Khan
And Yash Raj
And Yash Raj.
and Karan Johar.
and Karan Johar.
Because I think these three are like the pillars of the rom-com Bollywood, but romantic
the
Bollywood
family
films.
drama.
Yeah.
But I actually
Family drama.
disagree. I mean, there are so many directors. My favorite Bollywood director is Zoya Akhtar.
Yeah.
Because I feel like she makes really intelligent movies, but her movies have amazing music. They have, they are very
well written.
and well directed also.
The characters are
Yes,
very good.
yeah. So
Every character has a sort of depth.
But side characters नहीं लगते, like they have something. You will connect
Yeah.
to them. It's like that.
I mean, Western films, like, I feel like I have such a short attention span. और मैं कोई Western movie देखती हूँ तो I find myself in some places bored. लेकिन हमारे में कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है. Like in older movies, चाहे the genre of the movie is not comedy, there always will be Paresh Rawal. Like किसी ने बहुत फालतू मूवी, किसी ने जुदाई देखी है क्या?
निकलू
हम क्यों बुलाए महर को?
Okay, nobody can relate, but it's a very time pass movie.
Yeah,
it
I
has
know.
nothing to do with comedy. But Paresh Rawal's character is so funny. He has a question mark on his forehead.
Yeah.
क्योंकि वो सिर्फ सवाल करते रहता है.
हाँ.
तो उसको पता नहीं रहता है क्या हो रहा है और वो सवाल करते जाएगा और वो कैरेक्टर का सिर्फ रोल है मूवी में कॉमेडिक रिलीफ. तो हमारी मूवीज इतनी एंटरटेनिंग होती है that it sets itself apart from other industries.
That's why I said our films are like big Indian थालीज. उसमें ना सब कुछ है, मसाला है, एक्शन है, कॉमेडी है. I don't think हम एक भी फिल्म विदाउट इन सब चीजों के रहने देते हैं.
Anyway, so that brings us to talking about comedy. ऐसे बहुत genres है जो बॉलीवुड ने क्रैक किए हैं और कुछ जो बॉलीवुड नहीं
राजस ऑलरेडी
क्रैक.
हंस रहा है. ये इसका
This is my
फेवरेट पार्ट है राजस का.
तो ऑलरेडी कुछ ऐसी मूवीज जो बॉलीवुड नहीं क्रैक कर पाया in terms of genres.
I think musicals. For
I think
example,
musicals, yeah.
I think something like Janeman, yes, it was
So
made
yeah,
by-
Janeman is also my example for musicals, but I mean we have such good music. I think that I think every Sanjay Leela Bhansali can be considered as a musical because the music is
Yeah.
so well written with the storyline, and there is, you know, especially like Devdas.
Yeah.
The songs portray a story which is relevant to the movie.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
I think those also can be considered modern day musicals, but of course we have Janeman as well.
Yes, but beyond like ये दो तीन, but we don't have much. तो हम तो like someone like Sanjay Leela Bhansali, हम उनको ज़्यादातर यार इसलिए रखते because he gives us like larger than life films, like जो
Yeah.
हम ऐसे हमको जनरल लाइफ में थोड़ी दिखेगा.
Yes.
बट yes for that and like for the जैसे हम वैसे हम एक पुराने टाइम पे चले गए, एक बहुत ही गोल्डन पीरियड में ही चले गए, ऐसा फील आता है.
I would like to talk about one genre that is, I feel should have more recognition in Bollywood, and that is children's movies. Because I feel like Bollywood इतनी प्यारे प्यारी मूवी बनाता है. Now like I have a list actually. Hold on.
भूत अंकल.
Yes. So of
Chiller
course
Party.
Chiller Party.
हाँ.
Chiller Party.
Love that movie. Has anyone seen Jumbo? It's an animated
Yes, yes,
movie.
yes.
I have.
It's a
Yes.
very cute movie. Any movie with Saif Ali Khan and Rani Mukherjee, like Tara
Yeah,
Rahman.
Tara
Tara
Rahman. I cried. Till day I cry watching that film.
I think I just
थोड़ा
unlocked
प्यार,
the code
थोड़ा
message.
magic.
Yes.
I think उन्होंने हमको एक different genre दिया है. सैफ अली खान और रानी मुखर्जी ने इस वाले part में that they made few good films for like children. Like हम तो
Yes.
also I think I'll come.
Even Chain Kuli ki Main Kuli.
चैन कुली की मैन कुली.
So Chain Kuli Ki Main Kuli is actually a remake.
Yeah.
But it is so well done. I mean, I thought really love. And the thing is, we watch these movies. We don't know that they're remakes because शायद हमने English version पहले
Yeah.
नहीं देखा हो. So when you go back and watch the English version, you're like, कि I can relate to the Bollywood version
Yeah.
because it's for my cultural context. So उसमें कुछ खराब नहीं है. We are taking a story and we are putting it for Indian audiences. I believe so.
Glocalization. BMM.
Okay, guys. Now we are going to move to the why not segment.
Yes. And
Yes.
for that, we will need our team.
हाँ, भी हमारी टीम हमको कुछ तो पता नहीं
So
कुछ तो
our
करवाएंगे.
team-
We don't know.
Our team has prepared why not questions for us and we don't know them yet.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why not appreciate so-called bad movies like Tismar Khan and Happy New Year as fun, cult, and classics in their own right?
I think we have started appreciating them more because of reels. But मुझे तो बचपन से ही पसंद थी. I don't know why you guys are calling them so-called bad movies. I mean the meme that you're seeing on Akshay Khanna.
Once upon a time in la la la.
No, I love Tismar Khan. I've always loved Tismar Khan.
Son of Sardar.
Son of Sardar.
ऐसे such comedies, you know, have you all seen that one with? I forgot.
Hey, what was that movie where
Very
Ajay Devgn
favorite
had
Yeah, that I'm
wrong
thinking-
English?
Yeah, I'm thinking
Bring
of that.
fresh fruitables
Yeah, I'm
and keep
thinking
the
of
air
that. What is
conditioning
the name
open.
of that movie? You can say it.
Bol Bachchan.
Bol
Bachchan. Bol
You know, I
Bachchan.
love that movie. Full brain rot.
Ajantika,
Hmm.
why not promote new faces and new talents more in the industry?
Why not promote? I think हो रहा है but हम as audience उनको appreciate नहीं कर रहे. It's not even about the industry at this point. Yes, एक टाइम था कि जब सिर्फ इंडस्ट्री के बच्चों को, इंडस्ट्री नेपोटिज्म वाले इंडस्ट्री के लोगों को ही सिर्फ वो कास्ट किया जाता है, बट अब जब बाहर के लोगों को किया जा रहा है एज ऑडियंस, आई थिंक वी आर फेलिंग एंड वी आर नॉट. अभी देखो तृप्ति डिमरी कितने टाइम से फिल्म बना रही है, उसको रिकॉग्निशन अब कब जाके मिला? एनिमल के बाद. कार्तिक आर्यन को इवन दो उसने क्या कहते हैं प्यार का पंचनामा करा,
3 पार्ट.
उनके दो पार्ट करे, उससे आकाश वाणी भी करी थी. यस, उसको मोनोलॉग बॉय के हिसाब से याद किया जाता था, उसका नाम भी नहीं पता था लोगों को, बट उसको फिर रिकॉग्निशन मिला सोनू की टीटू की स्वीटी के बाद, जबकि उसको इंडस्ट्री में तब तक 10 साल हो गए थे. सो एज ऑडियंस वी फेल. एंड हम जब लोगों के क्या कहते हैं डेब्यू होते हैं न्यू टैलेंट्स के, या फिर जब वो अच्छा काम कर रहे होते हैं, हम रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं करते उनको एज अ ऑडियंस.
Okay, so for the last one, Meher, why not introduce like, you know, the vibrant, like the relatable rom-coms, like 2000s movies instead of today's the cynical take movies?
I mean, I love Bollywood's rom-coms. Anything that stars Imran Khan, मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन, जाने तू या जाने ना, गोरी तेरे प्यार में, ये सब जो भी इमरान खान मूवीज, ब्रेक के बाद, these are such cute movies, and you know these rom-coms like I feel like should make a comeback, but again I feel like आजकल की audience ना, myself included, हम बहुत ज़्यादा logic ढूंढते हैं चीज़ों में.
Yes.
And पहले जो हम देखते थे शायद हमें इतने, you know, we didn't have the capacity to think deeper, so we would enjoy those kind of mindless rom-coms, and now we don't anymore. But yeah, again, it's on the audience, it's what the audience likes. But yeah, Bollywood hasn't come up with a good romantic comedy in a while, I feel.
Now we are going to go to the game segment of Why Not. So let's
Not
go.
fun.
Yes.
Games we can.
Basically, these are memes. You have to guess the movie. Okay.
Hera Fairy.
Okay, so the first one is
Hera Fairy.
हेरा फेरी यार, ये तो
हेरा फेरी।
उसकी
बाबूराव का।
चश्मे देख के मुझे समझ में आ गया ये बाबूराव है।
अच्छा,
नहीं,
जब भी
जब भी
मैं
मैं
जब भी मैं
चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस। कभी खुशी कभी गम।
This is too easy, guys.
ये
थक गई।
गोलमाल 3।
गोलमाल 3
राजी। मुझे घर जाना है। मन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस। हेरा फेरी अगेन। अक्षय कुमार। पैसा डबल।
शर्ट देख के समझ में आ जाता है।
गोलमाल 3।
ए
हीरोपंती। छोटी बच्ची को
तुमने
क्या?
हीरोपंती देखी है?
Yes, of
कैसे
course.
लगी? What is the opinion?
Yeah, not the second part but the first
समझा
part.
कि वो डेब्यू फिल्म
Second part भी
दोनों
नहीं।
की। अरे
ये
जिसमें वो
इसमें
टकला
टकला होता
था
मुझे नहीं पता ये।
बाला।
बाला नहीं अभी नहीं बाला
ये एक सेकेंड इस दिन आयुष्मान खुराना
Yes,
के
Yes,
लोग
this is
बाला
बाला।
या
मुझे आंखों का
ओ
धमाल
धमाल।
धमाल
हो गया?
the only film I'm excited
ओ नहीं,
लगान।
लगन लगान
लगन।
लगन कहाँ से
लगन
शाउट
मेरी
आउट टू लगन
नेक्स्ट। नहीं हो रहा है। ये है तुम्हारी फुल प्रूफ प्लानिंग। नहीं पता। ओके, दिस वन नहीं पता। बादशाह ये देखी है। ओ
Three
Idiots.
Idiots.
That's it for the first episode guys. How was it? I think it was pretty good.
Yeah, it was pretty
Yeah,
good.
I mean, we had a lot to talk about,
Yes.
Yeah.
and we will be talking on this more.
Yeah.
And you know Bollywood is a genre जहाँ पे हम सिर्फ 20 या 25 मिनट बात नहीं कर सकते।
Yeah.
हमें लगेगा और एक एपिसोड and we will be back for part 2.
But again guys, before we end this podcast, I want to make one thing very clear. मतलब कि आप लोग जो ऑडियंस हो उनके लिए कि with Why Not हमारा मेन एम ये है कि obviously the entertainment is going to be there, but आप जब भी हमारा पॉडकास्ट सुनो या फिर देखो आप you take away something from it, like as listeners, okay, like you get to know something new or maybe you get to learn something new. So and entertainment तो होता रहेगा, ऐसे chill podcast भी होंगे. This was the first podcast.
And now you know Prem Ratan Dhanpayo was a Korean comedy remake.
And now you know you should go watch Aitraz.
Yeah.
Yes, you should.
Yeah, I should watch it.
Okay.
And Judai.
And Judai. और कुछ?
और कुछ guys, like,
Share.
Subscribe.
हट and comment भी हो गया मेरा पहला
Comment भी
episode.
करो.
Comment your list of underrated movies that
Yes.
you think we should.
And tell us अगर आपको पता था कि भाई प्रेम रतन एक रीमेक था कि नहीं.
Yes, and I know exams are near. अगर 2 comment नहीं आए सबसे तो माता रानी पास नहीं करेगी.